Mark Sturgeon. Where was I? Can you see him? Right there.
Right, what am I doing?
Hello, Mark. Come into the picture, please. This is Mark.
Hello.
So, Mark,
Hello.
you're supposed to come off a bit. No, up, stay. Stop it. Guy, so
Hello.
today, what did I do on the racetrack?
I went round and 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 round.
How many points did you score?
How many pints?
Points!
I don't know. There was a round number though. It was round and round and round and round and round and round and
Stop
round.
saying round, please make me dizzy, Gary. So today, what will you be doing against Drake?
I'll be going round and round and round and round and round. Oh, I'm feeling dizzy.